Hi guys, so today we will be doing a lab to determine which elements are metal and non-metal. Before you place any elements in the well plate, be sure to have the materials manager clean and dry the well plate. Additionally, the project manager should review the procedures and let the materials manager know if there are any materials missing so he or she can get them together for you prior to starting the lab. The elements you will be using today are magnesium, zinc, silicone, carbon, sulfur, iron, and tin.
Alright, hi you guys. So first, everyone in the group should have the opportunity to look at the appearance of each element inside the small cups before you putting them in the well plate. And of course you're going to write down in the column that says appearance, and you're going to say whatever physical properties you observe at first. And then in the following, your technical manager will check the electrical conductivity with this conductivity meter right here. You're going to use the tweezers, which is going to be on your tables, and you're going to grab each material just like this and press low. You're going to press low first, and then you're going to press high, and if it has the red sparks that come up, you're going to put yes in the column of conductivity, okay?
Okay. So, malleability, also known as crushing, will be demonstrated by your instructor. Please do not attempt to crush any of these elements at your desk.
Now the technical manager will test the reaction of each of the 7 elements with acid. The safety measure will label the 7 well plates A through G, just like in the video using the notebook paper.
So you do not have to set up these elements in the exact order as we show right here. But however, the safety manager needs to remember which letter belongs to which element that is labeled in these well plates. Once you have labeled your well plate, you may go ahead and add the elements to the well plate from the cups.
Your materials manager will now add 15 to 20 drops of the HCl. HCl is going to be the clear that looks just like water. Though, you're going to demonstrate it, I'm going to demonstrate it on magnesium, so we're going to do 15 drops on magnesium. Alright, and then after the following 15 drops, you're gonna have your safety measures should always keep track of the time of the 3 to 5 minutes. Sometimes elements take a little bit longer to react, so wait out the full 5 minutes. And as we observe, we'll notice that some of the elements are going to dissolve just like magnesium.
And remember, HCl is an acid and may cause burns to your skin, so project directors will need to report any accidents immediately to the teacher. Safety manager will also need to be around to help with the spills.
Alright, and then the technical manager will clean out the well plate using the tweezers, just like these, to lift each element, like the magnesium, and rinse off the chemicals with distilled water, and unreacted elements should be placed back inside the cups for later use. If you observe a reaction with HCl, then throw the element in the trash can using the tweezers, okay?
Project directors, please be sure to emphasize to your group members that they should not dispose of any elements down the drain. This will clog up the drains. Once all elements are either in the trash or back in their original cups, your technical director may rinse the well plate with distilled water and dry well.
Now that the wells are cleaned and dry, the material manager will place the elements back into the well plate in the same order that you had it before. Please check with the safety manager to be sure the order is correct. Once cleared by the safety manager, you can test the element's reactivity with copper 2 chloride.
Now the same thing you did with HCl, you will do the same thing with copper chloride. You will add 15 to 20 drops and observe to see if a reaction occurred within the 3 to 5 minutes. So the copper chloride is this blue liquid here in the other pipette on the table, but you will also clean the unreacted elements in the well plate as you did previously once you've done your 15 to 20 drops. Let's go right here.
And as we said before, you make sure as soon as the 3 to 5 minutes is up, after you notice the reaction, if there's no reaction, you're going to record the observation that you had, and you're going to answer the post-lab questions. But be sure to explain your answers because Miss McKenzie will not assume what you know. Be sure to explain your answers because Miss McKenzie will not assume what you know.
Once the lab is complete, everyone in the group should help clean up after to avoid points of being deducted. Materials managers will need to be sure to replenish any used up chemicals and discard elements. Project directors will need to stay at the lab station until Miss McKenzie has checked your lab area. Have fun learning and enjoy the metal and non-metal lab.